Hi all, I want to get into this project and I want to I would like to give you updates, but first I want to tell you what it's really about. So Evie got into my DM and she asked me if I could make a tote bag for her because she is going to give workshops and high teas and will have an exhibition of all the tote bags, and they will be all about, and now I have to read because I can't remember very well. So it's all about good breast health care because she wants to promote self-care and prevention for breast cancer. She herself is unfortunately, sometimes I get stuck on words. She had it herself, but gladly she is now okay, but still she wants to tell everybody that it's most of the time in our own hands. So she asked me if I could make for her, for the exhibition, a tote bag. Well, yes, I can. So I started it. This is how far I'm now. I have crocheted in several days, but the horrible thing was that I first started with one thread and then it was too soft and I didn't like it, so I frogged it, and then I started it again, but with another needle, but I did it too. Now I have to watch it, but I can't find it, of course. I never can find anything here. So the second time, anyway, the second time I started, I used double thread, but a smaller needle, and I didn't like it either. So I frogged it again. And now I'm doing it on a size 6 hook. I say needle, but it's a hook. Okay, so I do it on a size 6 hook with a double thread, and it's this purple. This, in my idea, I don't know if we will see it, much of it, but that's on the end. With these kind of stuff, I mostly have a small idea in my head. I have something, I see it vaguely, but I don't see it like exactly how it should be. I don't draw, I just start and do. It's how I worked. It's how I always did it, everything. Sometimes I draw because then I feel like I should draw something, but it's not working for me. So here we are with the breasts I got until now. Yeah, I made a video about how to get these random colors and how to do this. So I made another video. It's on YouTube as well. So I made these, I made these. These are all different size breasts. We are as different as people. So that's what I'm doing, all kind of breasts and all kind of colors. It's gonna be. I hope to be able to make regular updates and to tell you about how it's going. And I also will find in my email exactly where Evie is going to be giving her workshops, because I know it will be lovely. That's it for today. Bye bye.